Hey, it's Tim, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk to my wife Heather. Working on our Ford Ranger today. We got lots of mods, as the kids call them. We're doing a Tmat Ultimate Cargo Management System. We're doing a tonneau cover. We're doing a new battery from Optima. We're doing a ScreenProTech cover for the empty screen. Just a variety of things I've worked with our partners on getting for her. Things she saw on Facebook she liked, or we needed the covers, and worked with our partners to get them. So we're going to walk you through what we did on our Ford Ranger to make it, better for her. Here is our battery from factory we're going to replace. I made it more complex than it used to be. My old 62's got two screws. Take them out. You got fuses and different things connected to these lines, and so we're going to take out the negative first, then the positive, and get these batteries swapped out. Okay, we got the new battery in place. So let me show you the kind of differences here. Okay, this is the Ford battery, AGM technology as well. But, Optima sent us some batteries, so we swapped them out, because why not? And it goes in the same location that we did on the truck. One bolt there for your positive, and she just got the negative. It's a little jump there.
Smidge heart attack because all of a sudden the truck came along.
Yeah, because
like, don't shock me.
And this cover just covers everything up. We have the fuse and everything connected. So
how tight does that bolt need to be?
Yeah, I'll do that in just a second. But this is the battery from Optima. It's right here. It is a DH7 model deep cell and starting high performance AGM battery, 3-year replacement with proof of purchase, which we didn't purchase. Well, anyways, pretty heavy batteries. Other case. So that's what we're doing with the batteries. Okay, we're just finishing this up. We put the strap over top to hold the battery in, connected our two bolts. The hardest part is lifting it up, putting it in place.
Holy cow.
it's heavy.
You need to lift some weight.
Heavy batteries. Okay, so battery installed. We'll get inside the truck. Maybe I should start filming that way before I do a big leap in the truck. So, let's see what happens. Start her up.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. And everything works like it should. There's no problems there. Perfect. Now, on our journey of modifying the Ford Ranger, we're going to put in the ScreenProTech. I got this on from the company. They are it's like a PPF kind of film for the screen dash over there. Put this on the Ram truck that we have, the RHO. But I want to get another version to put on this Ranger. These screens are pretty expensive to replace. If they get scratched by, say, kids, or somebody wears a wedding ring and does something, this protects it. And also it should cut down on some of the fingerprint marks and things. So we're going to have her install this, and I will film the updates. Okay, we got the screen applied. I might have given her some bad advice and got it overly wet, but that's okay. And you can kind of see the film. You can see it like right here. And this is a matte finish on this. Both of our products are matte finish. They sent us two, and then they have another one. This is for the dash. Should be right back over there. We'll see if that fits. But yeah, so she's just squeezing it off. You will get air bubbles, and let it sit for a couple days. Don't push out the air bubbles, and they will go away as well. And then you have this nice matte finish on here. It's like a screen protector that you have for like your cell phone. And we have a special code I'll put down below in this video, and you get some money off if you want to purchase one over at ScreenProTech.com. So we'll keep working on this one, but look how nice that turned out. And then you want to start it up and see what it looks like with the glare?
Oh, that looks great.
Yeah, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. It's a little pricey of a product, I think, to buy, but these screens are several $1,000s, and I don't know, I like it. I like the way it looks. I like the tactile feel. So the Ram I have, it dried, and it just feels more tacky, so your finger doesn't slip like if you're trying to drive and hit the now playing or hit your phone. It seems like a little bit just different feel to it. All right. Okay, now in the bed of the truck, we got two things. We have a tonneau cover from Westin. One stop. Before we get to that, we have this system from Tmat. Something my wife had seen on a Facebook reel. Reached out to the company and they sent us their product. So this is going to go down and it has lockable. It's like a floor for the bed and it's got lockable places. So we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. And I'm going to stand back. Okay. So, what is in the box? Let me get out. Yeah, do a good unboxing. We got paper. We got some systems like this. Instructions. And, oh, there's layouts. Common layouts, assembly tips, mid-size. So, let me just do it. So, basically it becomes a grid that you place down. You put things in. So, let's go ahead and lay this out and see what we got when it's kind of in place. Okay, here's what we have here. We have these panels, and they have little slots, and you connect them. It reminds me of like gym flooring. You've ever seen like gym flooring at a hardware store? And she's connecting these pieces together. They go into slots. You keep these male ends towards you and to the left, so you can add more panels. She can go 4 across, so she's basically building a base of the floor in her truck for these things. We have extra little small pieces, like the side corners here by the wheel wells. And then you put in this cargo management system. So this goes into one of these spots here, move it where you want to, and then you can push this forward and you can tighten down your gear and you just pull this back and you release it. So she's a traveling teacher, so she carries school supplies in her vehicles quite often. She can put in different items that she may want to transport. She can get them nice and tight and secure so they don't roll around on her. When she gets to school, she pulls right out. And we have some bigger ones as well. So you kind of mix and match your own kind of storage solutions as far as what you need for cargo management. That's pretty simple to install. No screws, no bolts, nothing. Just a little bit of muscle and effort. And just section by section. And then these are see-through in a way. The top is. So you'll be able to rinse it off with water and get it empty. Might take a little bit more cleaning just because it just doesn't look like there's a drain piece to this, but
that's what I'm kind of noticing too. There's no drain for this.
Yeah, that's going to be the one question we're going to have is, what's going to happen? Do you need to have it drained? Is it a big deal? Is it not a big deal? I don't know.
Do we take a screwdriver and
poke the holes? Yeah.
In circles?
I don't know. That's an interesting thought. So we'll see how this goes over the course of owning this Ranger and driving around and see what happens. Yeah, she just said, how long did that take me? 10 minutes? Yeah, about 10 minutes. It's super fast. Get the camera to behave here. So open it up. And voila.
So I just have to figure out where I want to put and how I want to use these blocker things.
Yeah, these are kind of blockers. You probably can hold stuff in that way, or you can, kind of imagination, you probably put a little piece of wood across here too if you want to. And then those.
I don't understand how to work these.
No, there you go, just push it up. Yep. And then you put the item between those two things, and then you just squeeze the back pieces and it retracts. And I'm sure they have lots more you can buy, different things. Just kind of give you a couple ideas. So push the, yep, there you go. So it really is your imagination. Now this isn't bolted down, so if you ever want to pull it out and wash truck bed, you just slide it right out and wash truck bed, put it back in. So as far as cleaning, it should be pretty simple. Just kind of gives you options. But again, if you have something really heavy or something that needs to be strapped down, these hold stuff in place, they don't strap it down. So, but if you carry little, toolboxes or, in your case, bags and things, you can just secure it back here in the bed and it won't really go anywhere.
Cool.
And the tailgate closes. All right.
Thanks, Tmat.
The last item is the Westin trifold tonneau cover. And I'll do that next. Okay, our first step is putting in this piece of foam on top of this bed rail. Hand me the foam. And the idea here is we're trying to create a level surface. So we want to get the side bed as tall as the front of the bed, so it's all one level surface. We put the tonneau cover on, and we'll use adhesive to secure the front. So that's how that's going to go, and it'll create a level top to this bed, the front of the bed. Okay, we got some bolts in there holding that down. Now we're unfolding the trifold, and we're going to see how this connects. So come on down. Oh, we got. Oh, these are the hangers that go and hold it in place. Okay.
Okay, directions?
Yeah, it said unfold it completely, and then probably, see these gotta drop. I need to pull out and out. So pull it towards you and let it drop in the slot. There you go. And then it should, I'm getting caught something on here. Should come all the way down. Yep. And then the other side, okay. And then these things go on your rail. They fold out, they go on the rail, they tighten up, and that's your easy release. See, they unscrew them down a little bit, and then they go there, and then you pull it down, easy release, and fold it in, and it's got snaps, so when you fold it all the way up, you snap it together and keeps it towards the front of the truck. Back of the truck. There you go. Just gotta adjust how much you want to get a nice tight fit. Looks like though it's. Yeah, look, you can unscrew them, make them longer.
Oh, is that how you do it?
Yep. Then they fold out. Better when and we'll trim a little bit. We got a little bit extra foam here. We'll trim that foam, but looks, man, that's tight and secure. You really got these. She was worried about these screws down here. They have a little knob that keeps twisting that she didn't feel like she got them tight. And boy, this is pretty damn secure. And I have an X-Acto blade. We can just cut this foam and make that a nice fit there too. And it's gonna be a nice cover. Here you go with the bed lights. We can see inside our new Tmat Ultimate Cargo Management System made in USA. We have the Westin trifold bed liner. We put on the ScreenProTech infotainment screen for protection there. And we put a new battery in your Ford Ranger. So you, it's quite a few modifications right off the bat.
Happy Easter, Heather.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so there you go. For more, check out the website at pickuptrucktalk.com. Check out other videos up over here. As always, thanks for watching. We will see you down the road.